sound of love. Oh yeah, baby. Baby, you already know where I'm gonna put it in now. This is the sound of love, and I know you can feel that. Yeah, right. They say I'm very white, son. Take up all the clothes. Why does the drawers got holes? Remove that thong. Yeah, you got it going on. Got some Tego bitties. Damn, I love your titties. Got that fat ass butt.
I'm in love with it.
Can a real nigga touch? Let me put it in behind. Like a stolen credit card, it was declined. Tonight I'ma light some scented candles and put some rose petals on a bathroom floor. Get that bubble bath going for a bad bitch like you. It's what love sounds like, baby. I'm gonna mount you like a real man's supposed to do. Yeah, baby. Start giving you a massage with some body oil. I'm gonna kiss your neck. Never spot, baby. Do what you want me to do. I will braid your hair if that's what you want me to do. Baby, I'll paint your toenails. Sandblasting bitches. Oh yeah. This is some passionate, they be in love type of shit. This is what it sounds like when you are making love. I'm gonna beat it out and send your soul love bubble. So tonight, I'ma give you that pipe, that what you like, girl. Oh yeah, I'ma make you scream my name. So all the neighbors call the cops and come over. Yeah, tonight, we making love. We making love. I said tonight, we making love. This is what love sounds like, baby. When I put it down, when I put it down.